was no trading activity on major stock exchanges on Friday due to the Easter holidays. However, important data on non-farm payrolls was published on April the 2nd. The report showed significant improvement in the U.S. labor market. The number of new jobs increased from 468,000 to 916,000 instead of estimated 647,000. The unemployment rate dropped from 6.2% to 6%. Employment for January and February was revised upwards. Markets are also looking ahead to the results of the Fed's meeting and the speech by Jerome Powell. In the early trade on Monday, oil was trading moderately lower by 0.6% after a rapid rally in the previous session. This is quite natural amid an increase in the global crude production. Last week, OPEC decided to ramp up crude output by 2 million barrels per day since July 2021. This means that the OPEC Plus members will raise production by 1.1 million barrels. Saudi Arabia will add another 1 million barrels to the market, as it previously agreed to reduce production by this amount to support oil prices. At the moment, however, traders prefer to focus on the recovering U.S. economy rather than on the OPEC decision. Brent lost 0.6% in the morning trade and reached $64.40 per barrel. The expected trading range for Brent is seen between $63.80 and $65 per barrel. North American WTI went down by 0.6% as well and settled at $61.08 per barrel. WTI is likely to hold in the range of $61.20 to $62 per barrel. The US dollar is rapidly gaining ground against other majors, supported by improvement in the US labor market, swift economic recovery, and the mass vaccination program. Meanwhile, the ruble remains under pressure from geopolitical factors. Therefore, it has extended its weakness against the greenback, with further potential for decline. Over the weekend, the situation in Donbass has deteriorated. Western countries accuse Russia of building up military forces near the border with Donbass. In case of a new conflict, ruble may slump both against the dollar and the euro. Today, the ruble pair was trading at 76.34 against the US dollar. Europe, with Germany and France in particular, is also closely monitoring the situation on the border between Ukraine and Russia. Their foreign ministries have issued a joint statement in this regard. Although the euro depreciated against the dollar to 1.1740 in the morning trade, the ruble may still show a significant fall amid the escalation of political tensions. Today, the euro versus ruble pair was trading at 89.60. The ruble is likely to hold in the channel between 88.80 and 90.40. At the start of the week, markets are trading mixed. The US has the leading position in terms of labor market recovery and the pace of vaccination. The recent upbeat data that confirmed economic improvement has boosted investor optimism. The number of vaccinated people is also encouraging. Nearly 40% of the US population have received at least one dose of the vaccine, and more than 1 in 5 adults have been fully vaccinated. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.